Craving a crispy, delicious snack that doesn't compromise your healthy eating goals? Kamote fries made from sweet potatoes are the perfect answer. With their natural sweetness, high fiber, and a dose of vitamins, Kamote fries are a wonderful alternative to regular fries. And when you make them in an air fryer, you get that irresistible crunch with a fraction of the oil. Let's explore simple air fryer recipes that transform ordinary kamote into extraordinary, guilt-free fries. Start by choosing the right sweet potatoes. Look for ones that are firm, smooth, and free from blemishes. Wash them thoroughly, as you'll want to keep the nutrient-rich skin on. Slice the kamote into even sticks, about 1/4 inch thick. Uniform pieces ensure that all your fries cook at the same rate and get evenly crisp. Once your kamote is sliced, it's time to add flavor. For a classic taste, toss the fries with a tablespoon of olive oil. This helps them crisp up without absorbing excess fat. Sprinkle in a pinch of sea salt, and for extra flair, add black pepper, smoked paprika, or a dash of garlic powder. These simple seasonings enhance the sweet potato's natural flavor without overwhelming it. For those who like a little heat, chili powder or cayenne pepper can add a gentle kick. If you prefer a sweeter profile, try mixing a bit of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey. The air fryer enhances these subtle flavors, caramelizing the edges of the fries for a mouth-watering finish. Preheat your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While waiting, arrange your seasoned kamote fries in a single layer in the fryer basket. Crowding them can lead to soggy results, so if you have a large batch, cook in multiple rounds. Set the timer for 12 to 15 minutes. Halfway through, give the basket a good shake or use tongs to turn the fries. This simple step ensures that every piece gets golden and crispy. When the timer rings, check for doneness. The ideal kamote fry is golden brown on the outside, tender but not mushy on the inside. Now, let's talk dips. A simple garlic yogurt sauce, made by mixing plain yogurt with minced garlic, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt, pairs beautifully with the natural sweetness of kamote. For a more savory option, blend Greek yogurt with a spoonful of mustard and a touch of honey. These dips are both healthy and easy to prepare, adding a creamy finish without the extra calories. Want to get creative? Try an herbed version by tossing your fries with dried rosemary or thyme before air frying. Or, for a hint of Asian flair, sprinkle sesame seeds and a little soy sauce after cooking. The air fryer locks in these flavors while keeping your fries light and crisp. Kamote fries also make a fantastic side dish. Serve them alongside grilled chicken, fish, or a hearty salad for a balanced meal. With their vibrant color and enticing aroma, they're sure to brighten up any plate. One of the best things about air fryer kamote fries is their versatility. You can experiment with spices, dips, and serving styles to suit your mood or dietary needs. Whether you're preparing a quick snack, a family side dish, or a healthy party treat, these fries are sure to satisfy. So the next time you're looking for a wholesome, satisfying snack, reach for some sweet potatoes and your air fryer. With just a few simple steps, you'll have golden, crispy kamote fries that are as nutritious as they are delicious. Enjoy the crunch, savor the flavor, and know you're treating yourself to a snack that's both healthy and irresistible.